90s, the Geological Survey had a problem. We had about 400,000 linear feet of rock core. It was time to give our core a permanent, secure home under our very own roof where we could guarantee its condition and its integrity.
So the laboratory is not only a hub that fosters scientific research and education, but represents the vital work of the Division of Geological Survey that's been around for more than 185 years. I think you have the longest history of any part of the Department of Natural Resources.
You know, we learn so much from our past to help us in our future. I just had a small commendation for you and wanted to present it on behalf of the House of Representatives.
Well, this event today was a rededication of our core lab and repository, the building behind me. This building was originally opened almost 25 years ago to the day as a facility for storing our rock core archive and also for operating laboratory space. And we've recently renovated it, and we wanted to present that new renovation work to the state.
We have about 900 cataloged earthquakes in our collection now. We have had up to 86 earthquakes so far this year in 2024. We had 127 earthquakes last year and 135 the year before that. This facility allows us room to deploy the network across the state to test and calibrate instrumentation, to set up design systems to better understand and monitor earthquake activity across all of Ohio.
We have about 67 miles worth of core if you stacked it all end to end. It would stretch from basically Columbus all the way up to Mansfield. We have about 5,500 samples of rock cores, rock cutting samples, as well as glacial samples from glacial till. Very interesting library that we have here at Horace Collins.
Well, you know, we all live on the earth. We depend on the earth for everything. We depend on the earth for our energy, for the raw materials that make up our shelter, our transportation, our food, everything. Ohio has a great deal to offer in terms of natural mineral resources. We need to teach the next generation what those resources are, where they're located, and how to get to them, and how important they are.